welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Davy, and today I am here with a new video for you guys. So I'm super stoked about this video because I've been dying to get my hands on one, and I finally have one. I've been dying to get a new computer for like the longest time. We kind of all share one computer in our house, and so I finally have my own laptop. And if you haven't already noticed, it is the MacBook 2020 Air. I'm so freaking stoked about this. Oh my god. It's just so beautiful. I don't even want to open it. But I just want to start off, just in case anybody's watching this video and expecting some tech person who knows everything and all the specs and all that. I'm sorry, but you got the wrong video. I don't know anything about the specs and all that extra gigabytes and all that extra stuff that you might be looking for. Sorry, wrong video. Thanks for clicking on the video, but I don't want to have you continue watching it when this is not for you. So yeah, if you're here for that, you might want to find somebody else. But if you're not, you just want to see the new MacBook, then you're at the right place. And so yeah, anyways, let's just go ahead and get started because I'm super excited. I just want to open it. All right, so this is what it looks like as soon as I open it. I'm not sure if my light, oh, I almost dropped it. But I'm not sure if my lighting can give you guys full detail, but this is what it looks like straight out the box. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Oh, it's so light. I believe that they said, like I said, I'm not the techno person here, but I believe that they said it weighs 2.8 pounds, so it's super light. And yeah, I can definitely see me tossing this in my purse, of course with a case, but toss it in my purse and being all right. All right, and so it comes with the standard stuff. Have your little charger box, of course, which is that, regular bulk box, and then your charger. That's really it. Of course, it comes with all the secret stickers and manual and all that good stuff, which I don't need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and close that back up. All right, let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna be so gentle. This is what it looks like when I open it up. Ooh, and it comes right on. Okay, I like that. Now I guess it's just loading and configuring, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around to me because I want to see what's going on. Alrighty, so I'm doing the setup stages right now on my MacBook Air, and I did notice that the mouse pad is huge compared to the last one that I had, which I really like because there's more to function with. The keyboard is actually really smooth, as you guys can see. This is so awesome. I was just playing around typing and I can just type so smoothly, so I'm really loving that. I was reading that this right here is your Touch ID, so instead of putting your password in anymore, you can just put your finger on that and it will automatically open. So I'm just still configuring my computer, getting everything set up, and so once I get all this set up, we can go ahead and get some more details. So here's the part with the Touch ID, so I'm gonna go ahead and set mine up so I can kind of show you guys how it works. So I'm gonna place my finger on it. It's kind of like setting up your cell phone if you have the newer versions. Now that I set it up, I'm all set to use that, so that's awesome. Right now, I am going through the setup of getting my computer linked to my phone. As you guys know, all Apple products, you can link all your devices, so it's really nice so I can just kind of use all my information like my text message, my FaceTime, all that directly from my laptop, so I'm super happy about that. But this is how the computer looks when it's all on, so you guys can get a more in detail of how everything actually looks. Alright, so now that you guys kind of got the hint of what it looks like, I did get it in rose gold because I'm just a rose gold girl. I did want my iPhone to be in rose gold, but they didn't have it, so I got on purple. But whatever. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I did hear this computer is not really good for editing videos, so, editing high quality videos like 4K. So I'm going to try that out and see how it works. I did hear that it overheats a lot, but I don't really edit very high intensive videos, so I don't think it will personally bother me. So for me, I thought it was a great buy, but for a lot of the people, I heard that it's not a good buy if you want to have high quality editing videos. And so yeah, but rather than that, it looks like a really good computer so far. I will give you guys an update once I kind of start working with it a little bit more and edit my first video and all that good stuff. I'll show you guys. But rather than that, I'm super excited to have this computer. If you guys have this computer, let me know down in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think of it and all that good stuff. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.